Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log and unlock cells in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Excel? You can find Excel in Microsoft Store. Launch your Microsoft Store and in there search for Excel. Once you do that, follow through the on-screen instructions to download, and after downloading the app successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to log and unlock cells in Excel. So let's say I have this sheet and I am calculating the, let's say, grade. Let me head over to this category and I'm calculating the grade, and I want my employees to have access to this data, but I didn't want them to be able to change the final grade. So what I have to do, I'm going to select this cell where I have the final grade. After selecting the cell, the next thing is to head over to the top corner where I have File, Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data Review. So I'm going to click on Review, and now I'm here. The next thing that I'd like to do is to click on Protect Sheet. After clicking on Protect Sheet, here I have to add a password to protect the sheet. So let's say the password for this is going to be 1234. So allow all users of this worksheet to do what? Select locked cells, select unlocked cells, and all of this. So just go ahead and click on OK, and after clicking on OK, you then have to confirm the same password. That's 1234 was what I used, and I'm going to click on OK. Now remember, it says if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and the corresponding workbook and sheet names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are also case sensitive. So go ahead and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you see that that has been passworded. So it means if I click on this and I double click, I cannot edit the final grade. So you have this banner that says the cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet, and to make a change on protected sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. So go ahead and click on OK. So that's how to lock it. So if I want to unlock it, I can go ahead and click on that again and head over to the top, click on Review, head over to Unprotect Sheet and enter the password so I can unprotect 1234, remember, and click on OK. So now I've done that, I can now head over to the cell in final grade, double click, and I'll be able to make changes to this. So that's just pretty much it. That is how you can log and unlock cells in Excel. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.